Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Turkey baster. Ideal baster for cooking. Impress your family with a juicy, meaty feast at a family, Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner with our durable turkey baster syringe. Its stainless steel construction allows you to dip the baster in even the hottest meals, while the silicone bulb remains cool to touch, heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Maximum suction power. Our easy-to-hold silicone baster bulb is designed to provide perfect grip. With one single press, you can fill up the 5.5 ounces dripless baster with liquid, ready to add more flavor to your meal. Easy to clean. Cleaning up is a breeze by simply detaching the blasting bulb from syringe, using our included cleaning brush to remove any particle. Our blazing syringe is also completely dishwasher safe. Food scale. Kitchen must-have. Friedel's digital food scale with removable bowl and measuring cup is the kitchen gadget you didn't know you needed for all your cooking, baking, meal prep, and food weighing needs. High-precision scale. Accurately measure wet and dry ingredients in 1 gram 0.1 ounce increments so you don't miss a gram or ounce in your cooking and baking. It easily converts to G-pods, F-ods, and ml. Multifunctional. This digital kitchen scale includes a large, detachable stainless steel hand mixer. Better than your grandma's dough blender. Solid pastry tool for cutting cold butter into flour or sugar when making fresh, homemade baked goods. Sturdy and durable dough kneader with metal blades that are twice as thick as some others. Wow the crowd with impressive results. Get ready for better texture and taste from all of your baked goods. Make flakier and fluffier biscuits, pie crust, pizza dough, scones, pastries, and more. You'll be amazed at how quickly this tool works to get uniform pieces of butter mixed in flour, which creates a better, yummier end product. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Jar vacuum sealer. Suitable for 2 types of mason jars. The electric mason jar vacuum sealer contains 2 sizes of mouth seals for your daily use. To get the standard mouth seal jar, simply insert the red arrow on the standard mouth seal converter. Align it with the unlock symbol on the main unit, and then insert it inside the silicone ring in the wide mouth seal area and tighten it clockwise. At this point, the arrow is aligned with the lock symbol, which indicates a successful installation. For all your vacuum sealing needs, includes an electric vacuum sealer containing a wide mouth sealer, a standard mouth seal converter, 5 wide mouth mason jar lids, and 5 regular mouth mason jar lids, and user guide. Our food vacuum sealer kit will help you. Electric can opener. Effortless can opening. Hands-free operation. Smoothly opens cans with minimal effort. Easy operation. Open almost any cans with our electric can opener. Press the button to start. Cuts cleanly along the side of cans, leaving smooth edges. Press the button again to stop. Thoughtful gift idea. A practical and versatile gift for family and friends. Suitable for kitchen enthusiasts and anyone seeking convenience. Smooth edge design. The blade cuts along the side of the can, reducing food contact, prevents spills, and leaves smooth, rounded edges. User-friendly design. Ergonomic design allows for strain-free use. Ideal for elderly individuals and those with limited hand strength. Plastic forks. Durable material. The plastic forks are made of heavyweight material. It is colorless and tasteless. Use a clear fork to eat healthy meals. Suitable for hot foods. Plastic forks have been tested to heat up to 176 bars and can be used for both hot and cold food. Thoughtful packaging design. 100-count plastic clear forks, packed in high-quality paper boxes. The sides of the boxes have a design for easy ripping and small windows to see what's inside at a glance. It is convenient for you to take out and keep the rest of the heavyweight cutlery. No washing up. The heavyweight plastic cutlery available for friends, guests, and customers, while its disposable design promotes quick, hassle-free cleanup when finished. Indulge in the party and do not have to wash dishes and mess. Simply enjoy harmony and convenience. Large size, 7 inches long and 4.8 grams heavy per disposable fork. Clear forks are suitable for tableware of various colors without any sense of violation. Digital measuring spoon. High precision for accurate measurements. Achieve unparalleled accuracy with our digital measuring spoon, designed for meticulous cooks and pet owners. This advanced food measuring scoop scale precisely measures from 1G up to 800G, with a minimal margin of error of just 1G. Ideal for ensuring consistent portioning of cooking ingredients or pet food. Versatile 5 measurement units. Our food measuring scoop scale transcends traditional scales by offering 5 different measurement units: grams G, milliliters ml, cups, fluid ounces, FLOs, and ounces oz. Kitchen tongs. Top quality. Hotech kitchen tongs are constructed with high-quality stainless steel, sturdy, heat resistance, anti-rust, anti-corrosion, lightweight, easy to handle, like new forever. This tongs for cooking comes with 2 sizes, 9-inch and 12-inch. Food safe, carbon-free certified. Easy to store. These kitchen tongs have locking mechanism, pull the ring for lock and push for unlock. Super easy operation. Hang them with the hanging loop after use or put in the drawer by pulling the ring to lock it. Space saving. Engineering for safety. Updated new design pattern for the handle. Better protects your hands from cutting by the edge when you grip the handle. Easy to control the handle and to eliminate wobbling and any risk of burning your hands. Hand mixer. Superior performance. The Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer has 220 watts of power with automatic feedback, including smooth start feature with 3 low mixing speeds that eliminates splattering. Must-have features. 1-step power switch with 9-speed LED display. Easy to use. Simple on-off button. 1-touch speed control with 9 speed options. Extremely easy to store away and dishwasher-safe parts. Includes beaters, chef's whisk, dough hooks, spatula, instruction/recipe book, and sturdy snap-on case to store mixer and accessories. Limited 3-year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free. Chicken shredder. Upgraded chicken shredder. Compared with the old chicken shredder, we have changed the inner shred structure and strong anti-slip strip, more effective and saves time. We do not worry about sliding away from our kitchen desks again. The flower appearance design and the transparent lid add polka dots seem like a beautiful flower to bloom. Shredded meat in seconds. The meat machine built-in plastic teeth that cover the whole area, which can tightly clamp the food. The lid has extra spikes on the edge, which help meat gather the shredded meat in the middle, cutting it evenly. The tool is applied with an ergonomic handle and an anti-slip base, ensuring comfort and easy operation even during heavy use. These updated structure designs can make your cooking tasks more efficient. Hand blender. Hand blender set. The 7-in-1 immersion blender set comes with 2 blades, stainless steel 4-leaf blade and ice crusher blade, and features unique bell guard that safeguards non-stick cookware from scratches and reduced suction, prevents food splatters. Emulsions blender also includes 500ml chopper, 20-aughts measuring cup, whisk, milk frother, accessories holder, and 5 feet power cord. Powerful performance and durable. 800-watt, heaviest dust copper motor paired with 2 professional titanium steel 4-blade and ice crush blade rotation system can handle the toughest blending tasks effortlessly.